Hi guys, John here from Donnelly Ford, and today I want to show you guys a 2024 hybrid Maverick that we have. So you can see it's the azure gray metallic in color. It's got some nice gray wheels, 4.5 foot bed, so perfect for any DIY projects and things like that. And again, the big thing about this vehicle, it's a hybrid, so you're going to get over 40 miles to the gallon at times. In fact, my brother just purchased a hybrid Maverick from Donnelly a couple months ago, made it home to Baltimore, Maryland on 1 tank of gas. So really impressive gas mileage. In the interior, you're going to have Apple CarPlay, you have Android Auto. Additionally, it's got some orange accents that you can see here. Beautiful looking little truck. So if this is something that you could see yourself in, stop out here in Donnelly and Mount Vernon and discover the Donnelly difference.